Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is part 6 of the Python pizza app. I started it 50 minutes ago, and I'm surprised how much progress I've already made. And I did it all with GPT4 and GitHub Copilot. Now I'm going to test the latest edition, which was to include 3 sizes, 5 toppings, and set a minimum price for the pizza at 10. So let's see what happens. All right. Oh, we have an error. Unexpected argument regex. Okay, so I'm going to grab this. I'm pretty sure I didn't import it, and that's the problem. But I'm going to go ahead and select all of this and say, okay, fix this error. And it's probably going to say you need to import regex, which is one of the serious problems of Copilot as well as GPT-4 is that they don't always provide all of the details required to get the code to work, even though it's theoretically aware of all of the code. It doesn't do a good job. So let's take a look at HTTP import Pydantic import field. Okay, I got that. And this looks like pizza schema. Regex is used to specify greater than 10. Argument means greater than 10. Yes, I know that, but it looks like this is almost a duplicate of what I already have. So, all right, I'm going to just copy it. And it's probably going to give me the same thing. It looks almost identical. I'll be interested to see, actually, Control Z. All right, it's not the same. Control Shift Z to do it because it's added this, the ellipsis. So maybe that's enough for it to be smart enough to figure out or to fix the code. Okay. Regex is removed. Use pattern instead. All right. So let's go ahead. I'm going to Control A this, and now fix this error. And again, this is why the GitHub and GPT-4 are not necessarily the best, because they use old code. And now I'm going to try one more time. Control C, Pydantic base model, Control V, Control S, refresh. No errors so far. All right, and looks like we've got a new URL. Let me open that. File not found. I'm not expecting anything different. Docs. And now, did I write the order code? I have the app post, and I have the app.post, but I have not completed this code here. So let me copy the code, Control C, and now Control A, select all of the code. Write a pydantic function that passes user user input into the database after it has been validated. Here's the function outline. All right, so again, I selected all of the entire script as it is right now, which in fact is only 98 lines. But we'll see if it will do what it's supposed to do. Okay, it's looking promising. So app post, I'm going to select that text there, and now when I hit insert, it pops the whole code in for me. I'll save it, kill that, and just for giggles, I'll go ahead and I'll leave that. Run, start debugging. I could hit F5 to start the debugger, but I didn't. All right, 127,800, that's the same one we have here. Refresh. And now place order. Okay, place a new order. That's exactly what we have here. And now we're going to try it out. And now I should, okay, it doesn't give me the drop downs. Why doesn't it give me drop downs? User ID, pizza ID. User ID, pizza ID. Okay. So it's not going to, here it is, order schema, which is what I have here, order. So I made a mistake. I didn't write the correct the pizza schema. I need to create the pizza schema, which is not even here. So I need to create a new post for pizza schema. I'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy computing.